The Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS, on this model compares the rolling radius of each tire to determine if any tires are underinflated. If a low tire is detected, an indicator will illuminate in the digital instrument cluster. In addition, a message will appear specifying which tire is underinflated or that multiple tires need air. After the tire pressure is corrected in each tire, the tires are rotated, or a tire is replaced, the TPMS must be recalibrated to turn the indicator off. To begin the process, the vehicle must be parked with the power on. Touch the home icon on the touchscreen, then select Vehicle Settings. Next, touch TPMS Calibration. Then select Calibrate. If calibration failed to start appears, repeat the previous step. The calibration process will finish automatically within a few miles of driving. See your vehicle's owner's manual for even more details. You can download one at mygarage.honda.com.